B. Answer the following questions using in, on, or under. Where is the lion? The lion is in the den. Where is the pillow? The pillow is on the bed. Where is the can? The can is under the tap. Where is the cat? The cat is under the table. Where is the flag? The flag is on the mountain.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.